Dhan Guru Nanak Dev Ji, with the grace of the God, the company is creating new heights, manufacturing world-class machines at affordable price. This is their office, exclusive office. There are a lot of benefits for buying the surface grinder, electric control panel, ISI motors, lubrication systems, good quality magnetic chuck, design department, Mr. Surinder Singh BHURJI along with his son Ronak, the third generation in the field of manufacturing surface grinder machine. The quality shines like sun and star. BHURJI machine toe. Our motto, quality and accuracy. This is the hydraulic surface grinder AS630 model 306. See, this is the very good machine, having full control, electric control panel, auto lubrication pump, and heavy duty machine, having heavy duty column with extra heavy duty spindle. Wheel size is also big. The wide machine with a wider bed. This is another model AH500 with 8 by 18 inches magnetic chuck. This machine is customer special ordered the DRO system, full control of DRO, very good. Fine feed is also there, micro feed, auto lubrication pump, the panel having full control. Very good panel. The crossfeed is also working auto. This has a rapid movement also. The crossfeed is auto movement, coolant system. Very good machine, working very efficiently, high production, ideal for tool room, manufacturing different dies and tools. And this is the manual operated model, having full features, panel, lamp, cross microfeed, vertical microfeed, and coolant system.